Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix message swipe reply not working on Instagram. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, open up Instagram, and then firstly let me show you here in messages. So you can see here it's working here. So how this problem appears, I'll show you. So I'll create this problem and then I will resolve. So just simply open settings, go to app management. It appear when you clear cache of Instagram. So just simply clear cache, clear storage, and then I'll show you how this problem is appear. So just simply tap on this, and now I'm going to log in my account. So you can see here I have successfully logged in my account. So just simply tap on this. So you can notice here, as you can see, it's showing here messages, messenger option, and you can see here, so same person. Now you can see here it's not working. When you clear cache or clear storage of Instagram, then this problem will appear. So how to resolve this? Just simply close this page, and then what you have to do is just simply make sure that you have a messenger in your phone. If you don't have, then you have to install messenger. So you can see guys here messenger is downloading. So installing right now. Just simply open it. And if you want to log in your account, then you can do from here. So I'm skipping this option. So just simply open Instagram in your phone. So guys, here you can see, you can notice here, here's the option of messenger. Now I'll show you. You can see here guys, here you can see guys, here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, it's working now. So that is the way guys you can easily fix this problem. So that's it guys for today video. If that was helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.